In the last episode of SEO Sneak Peek, we talked about long-tail keywords. Today we are going to discuss a related topic, keyword difficulty and why it's important in SEO. Keyword difficulty, like the name suggests, is a metric that helps evaluate how difficult it's to rank a particular keyword on the search results page. It's determined based on the domain authority, page authority, and content quality of the websites that are already ranking for the keyword. Checking the keyword difficulty is a very important part of the keyword research process. Along with other factors like search volume and the length, which we discussed in our previous episode, keyword difficulty also helps SEOs choose the right keywords to target. However, it isn't a definitive score. Different SEO tools show different metrics. Google, like always, hasn't revealed whether KD is one of their highly secretive ranking factors. So, why is it that SEOs still check this speculative number before zeroing down on keywords? That's what we are going to discuss in the later part of this video. Let me tell this up front, keyword difficulty is highly relative to the authority of the website that you are optimizing. What I mean is, if you are optimizing for a site that's already established, high keyword difficulty shouldn't stop you from targeting a hard keyword. For example, Stan Ventures is currently ranking for the super hard keyword search engines, in the second position of Google. Though it was required of us to put in great effort, let me tell you, it wasn't Herculean. That's because Stan Ventures already had a strong domain rating of 63. This made it easy for us to rank even for highly competitive keywords. The point is, if you are trying to rank a fairly new website, it's ideal to go for keywords with easy or medium difficulty. Not because you don't stand a chance to rank for it, just that there are higher authority domains out there for you to battle out. What we recommend you is to check the keyword difficulty manually. It doesn't matter which SEO tool you are using, there isn't a better tool than your brain. Checking the KD manually is quite easy. Here is how you do it. Step 1. Check the intent of the keyword. If you are a blog, you really don't want to get scared by the keyword difficulty of a transactional or buyer intent keyword. Step 2. Check the number of referring domains that are linking back to the top 10 ranking sites on the SERPs. Step 3. Analyze the type of backlinks they have received and see how many of them are relevant. Step 4. How many relevant backlinks are from high authority domains? Step 5. If the number of high authority contextual backlinks are less, the keyword is all yours to rank. As an SEO, your key focus must be to identify the right type of keyword for the website. Thinking how to zero down on keywords? We got that covered for you in one of our upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.